Jenny.
So, ano po? Ano po kayo?
Kitchen deliverable.
Tama pwede po makakain ng copy nito. Kasi mga copy box na lang din po sa ito. Dali ko natin.
Kitchen. Intercom. This is the intercom. Then this is the bathroom. Pictures. American Standard. Bath. American Standard. And then the shower fixture. Then the knobs. And then ito yung pinaka sala. Ayun yung door. Ayun yung door, sala. Then the view for sala.
Ang kakausapin niyo po dito sa account si Lawrence Cortez sa local highway po.
Bellagio 3. This is the view. And then this is the studio unit. Ganun. And then this is the free aircon, centralized aircon, at Shigo aircon. Ito yung pinaka studio unit. And then this is your cabinet. Then this is the view of parang one bedroom partition. Ito yung view. Ayan. So this is your view. Ayan. So you have the view of Dodge Bank. Dodge Bank is yung ito, Dodge Bank. And then this is the corpse wood. Ayan yung mga corpse wood. So ayan, mainit. So bababa na kami. So ito yung pinaka-room. Ito yung pinaka-parang room. Okay.